Hello, everyone. Are you wondering how often you should cut your dog's nails? Let's explore. Most dogs need their nails trimmed every 3 to 4 weeks, depending on how quickly their nails grow and how much they get from walking on hard surfaces like pavement. Dogs that spend a lot of time walking on concrete or asphalt may naturally wear down their nails, requiring less frequent trimming. However, dogs that walk mainly on grass, carpet, or other soft surfaces may need more regular nail trims. It is important to keep your dog's nails at an appropriate length to prevent discomfort, as long nails can make it difficult for a dog to walk properly and may lead to joint or posture issues. If you hear your dog's nails clicking on the floor or notice them snagging on surfaces, it is likely time for a trim. Trimming your dog's nails at home is possible with the right tools, such as dog nail clippers or a nail grinder. But if you are unsure or uncomfortable, a professional groomer or vet can help. Please like the video and leave a comment to support my job. Thank you for watching and see you later. Goodbye.